So there are about 4 or 5 hotels in the Las Vegas area that I would consider one of the best or some of the best. So I won't show you me, but I will show you how nice or relatively nice this room is. It's at the Bellagio. So the Bellagio is the original nice hotel in my mind. Sure, there were many before this. Maybe perhaps years and years ago, MGM was. Or perhaps, I don't know, the Mirage, or even, I don't know, at one end of the strip, on the south end, can't even think of the name, but there was a shooting there a long time ago. But regardless, I would say that this is one of the nicer rooms, and will continue to believe that, mainly because the high-end stuff that they put in these rooms, from the beds to literally everything in the bathroom. Sure, there are some things that you could argue other hotels have now, but overall, I just have to say it's pretty fine, pretty good. So over here you can see like even the stuff for, I would say this is a big test, is sometimes the stuff that they have for shampoo and conditioner and lotion are some of the bigger things. And yeah, I don't know. There's a few other items, including what's in the refrigerator or the snack bar, etc. This one has quite a bit of very expensive stuff. And I don't know, even things like whatever this is. Kind of unique. Oh, I think this is the air conditioning slash heating unit. So anyway, just have to say that I really like Bellagio.